seen that before.
Police officer!
Tough day.
Where am I?
You're dead.
But you have skills that we want.
So we'd like you to join the RIPD, the Rest in Peace Department. Your job is catching deados.
The bad souls that escape judgment.
Meet your new partner.
Now, you got to earn that. Come on. We are the greatest lawmen that ever lived and died. Now, some souls hide out among the living. Big deal. Our job is catching bad souls that escaped the afterlife. Bag it, tag it, and bury it deep.
It's sick.
There's something else. You don't look like you don't sound like you anymore.
So what do I look like? Really? An old Chinese guy? What about you? Yes, you win, Roy.
You ready? Stanley Nowicki.
We're with the Department of Health.
We suspect that you might be dead. You can back this one. My treat.
No, I'm not going near that.
Don't hands up! Might notice we're pretty durable.
Still hurts.
I've never seen that before.
If the dead take over, that's it for the living world.
They picked the wrong venue to make a stand. This world's for the living, and RIPD is gonna keep it that way. Holy! That went well. Fun, right?
Don't tense up.
Rated PG-13.